Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today we're going to be going over all about Boxycharm for the month of April. So I'm going to be including information about April boxes, which includes base and premium, and then at the end of the video I'm going to share my choice since that is already open. Not only I'm going to be talking about choice, but every spoilers that we have so far. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are new guys, as you know, the add-on store is going to open as well as already open. You're able to save 70%, but you guys have to run because a lot of those items already in a few minutes are already sold out. If you're interested to subscribe to Boxycharm, here are some promo code. I'm going to be including them on the bottom. That way you guys go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to enter the promo code depending on the palette you will prefer. So let's go ahead and start with the base choice. As you know, we have an option to pick 3 different products, and those products varies from skincare and I believe makeup, and the first one is from the brand Earth Harbor. So this we have seen in pop-up or add-on store, at least the brand, but this one is new for at least for the boxes. This one is Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule. Ampule is another item you could just add to your skincare routine. And here guys, I wanted to include some more product or the ingredients, the key ingredients about this product, about this skincare product before you make your choice item. And this is meant to soothe, comfort, calm, and restore radiance because of all the ingredients that it has, and it looks like a great product to have. Then we have a primer. This is from Touch and Soul. We have not seen Touch and Soul in a long time, but most of the products we have received in the past, at least for me, has been primers, and they're pretty good. This one is different. This is called Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It's a gel consistency, and this gel primer, it says that instantly is going to have that cooling effect, so it's gonna feel like it's super cooling. I just can't wait to try that product. It looks very pretty, but what I love about it, that it also hydrates your skin. That way once it hydrated, it feels cooling, and it's prepping your skin for when you're gonna apply your makeup, and it's gonna lock in the moisture because of the water capturing technology that it has. That way once it locks in, it's gonna leave your skin feeling silky. So I'm excited for this product, and I think this might be the one that I'm going to select. But there is another product here. I am loving tinted moisturizer because a lot of the tinted moisturizers, sometimes they do have SPF, which I love, but in this case it has hyaluronic acid. We don't have that much information because it looks like it's going to be a new product coming out by Studio Makeup. We do know that there's going to be 4 different shades that you could pick up. So what I love, that it's a moisturizer but it's tinted at the same time, so if you don't want to wear makeup, this is a great way to go. That you could just apply this, that is tinted. Like I mentioned, it comes in 4 different shades. Just apply it and you're good to go. You never have to wear any makeup at all. So it just gives you that natural, maybe finish or more uniform look. So guys, I'm gonna do a recap and show you exactly those 3 products you see here. We have maybe one that is borderline skincare and makeup. We have skincare, and then we do have, I think, skincare makeup borderline too, because it's a tinted moisturizer that I will use also maybe as just maybe like a soft baby cream, depending on the product. So yeah, those are the choice items. So those are the 3 you're gonna be able to choose. But let's go ahead and see how the base box is coming together for the month of April. And these are brands that have been revealed already, giving us a box value up to $175. Another product that, or another brands that we could expect in the box is Too Faced, which I'm excited for, Huda Beauty, and Pharmacy. These are brands that are coming, and pretty soon I'm going to reveal what pharmacy or the product that it is. So I think April base box is looking pretty good with these brands and the choice items. So these are some possible variations, which guys, I am super excited about. This was confirmed that Pharmacy Honey Grail is going to be in the base box. They have not confirmed if this is going to be a variation. I'm guessing it might be a variation, but I'm excited for this product. Honey Grail is an ultra hydrating face oil, and this oil not only works in a great way for your skin, but also for your hair. So that's another tip, another way for you to use this product. And I love pharmacy products. It's interesting because now it says that the value of the box is going to be up to $180, but I just wanted to show you how the palettes look like. These palettes, I think this was the best picture I could share with you guys because these are exclusive palettes. So you're going to be seeing one that is more neutral tones and one that has a pop of color too, which both of them are very pretty, very cute. They did mention a little bit that if you should go ahead and work with your beauty quiz, and if you like more neutral, go ahead and put neutral and put that you want more makeup. If you put that you like to have a wild card or maybe some more fun colors, go ahead and add that to your quiz. Maybe that will help determining which one you might be getting in your boxes. But I love that we're getting, once again, exclusive palettes from Natasha Denona. So this is everything that I have for April base box. So let's go ahead and move on to premium. Premium choice is something that is happening this month, which I'm so excited. It's happening now, but it's going to be for the April box, and that means that we're going to have 2 choice items today. That choice already open for the month of April. So let's go ahead and go over the first choice item. And the first choice item, once again, is Natasha Denona. So imagine if you have your April base box and you get a Natasha Denona palette, and then you have your premium box and you choose this palette. I'm telling you, your collection for Natasha Denona is going to be growing, and such an affordable price too. So I'm excited that this is also an option for a premium box. The one to choose from will be Natasha Denona Coral Eyeshadow Palette. As you know, this one retails for $48. Another product that was mentioned as choice is NARS, and it's going to come in 5 different shades. Finally, this is already revealed. I have seen and shared with you guys spoilers for this blush, but now it's already confirmed. This is going to be a blush you're going to be able to choose from, and I have to see if you're able to choose the shade too. And then third, the other option you have is Natasha Denona a concealer, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to choose the shade that best match you. So now I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. I don't even know if I'm gonna change my choices when I make them, because I would like to read more on the concealer and see if you could select the blush shade as well. So this is choice 1, and let's go ahead and move on to premium choice number 2. So now you're gonna be able to choose another product, which I love, guys. That means you're gonna be loving your box even more. And this is Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Such pretty colors, and here are some swatches. I feel like they're very neutral, but they have really fun soft colors there. I think it's perfect for spring, very pastel like. 20 highly pigmented shades. It's crease proof, it's blendable. I love that part there. It has shimmers and glitters for flawless day to night look. So now let's go ahead and see what's the other option is. And the other option is a skincare product. This is from Wonder Beauty. I love this brand, but I don't think I have tried it as skincare. So this one I really want to share more information that I found out, because like I mentioned, I only seen it for makeup, not for skincare, and I really want to make sure that I pick the right product for me. This is Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, and this is claimed to be 6-in-1 multitasking overnight repair concentrate. This has 1% retinoid, and another thing that is mentioned there, plant derived, like I mentioned, squalane. It has dragon blood to help protect skin from outside aggressors, and it's going to soothe and firm your skin. And the peptides that I mentioned as well, that's going to contain anti-aging properties, and is impactful against visible signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. So this looks like a great ingredient to have, especially for the night. I have been using retinoid, and it's true, it is very hard for you to find the right one, because sometimes your skin gets very red, inflamed, is horrible, it gets very flaky because it starts drying out. So applying that ingredient that we all need in a form that it has other ingredients in there to really hydrate your skin, but at the same time it helps smooth out, and it doesn't get, you don't get that redness, and it works a lot faster. This one sounds very, very promising. It sounds very good, and I'm excited to see if this is the one I'm going to pick. But it's hard, guys, because this will be between a palette and a skincare product. But let's go ahead and move on to see what else is coming for the premium box. That way we have an idea how it's coming together. And the next thing that we're going to mention is premium brands. So we also have premium brands that have been revealed. Here it says that the value box is going to be up to $215. We already know NARS that is coming because it's one of the choice items, but 2 other brands are mentioned, like Laura Mercier and Marc Jacobs Beauty. We have not seen any of those products, but at least we know these brands are coming, and I'm super excited to see how this premium box is coming together. This is something that is not confirmed. The CEO, Joe, did mention that a primer is expected in the box. I believe it's a face primer, and based on the email quizzes or surveys we have received, these are the only 2 face primers I have seen. It's from Marc Jacobs, the Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer, or the Fenty Soft Matte Face Primer. So I'm not sure if these are going to be the primers that we might see, but I wonder if it's going to be Marc Jacobs, because that's the brand that we have seen that it is coming to the premium box. So guys, this concludes this video. As I'm gonna end it, I'm gonna show you as I go to Boxycharm website, and then I make my choices. So you guys are gonna see my choices on this section of the video. So once you guys start seeing that, remember choices today. Don't miss out. Also, the add-on store is open, and if this is your first time making your selection, I'm going to show you how I'm doing it, and that you guys get to see what I picked. And let me know if you guys picked the same thing, or what was your choice items for base and premium. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me. Have a happy Monday, a happy week, and until the next video, bye. Before I get started, I keep getting questions about how to make your choice. Sometimes this section that you see here may not be available once you log into your Boxycharm account. Just make sure you're logged in, and if you don't see the how you're gonna pick your choice, you have that option right there, choose now or shop now. You could go ahead to the add-on store. Right on the top right hand corner, you're gonna see add-ons is open. You could click that section as well, and it will take you straight to the add-on store. But let's say you don't see that front cover in your Boxycharm website once you have logged in, then go ahead and scroll down. Once it shows the choice and add-on day, it also has the option to choose now or shop now, and go ahead and click choose now. If this is still not working for you guys, then go ahead and click boxycharm.com/choice, and that might even work. So I'm just giving you different options in case you are not able to see the choice options. Now that I'm ready to make my selection, we're going to go ahead and choose now. I do have the option to select for base and premium. Remember, premium have two different choices, so it's going to give me all of the options all in one space or one spot. Here are the base choices, the three that I mentioned. And I'm able to choose one. The one that I really decided to go with is Touch in Sol. After reading about this primer, I'm truly excited to try that, but the other products look pretty good as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and make my premium choice, which is number 2. It was between the palette or Wonder Beauty, but reading more about that retinoid, I'm excited to try that product, so that's my choice for premium. And then seeing these three, I wasn't sure which one I was going to select, and it does give you the options to see the shades for the blush and also for the concealer, but I selected the palette. If I read a little bit more about that concealer, I might be able to go back and change it, confirm and get more. So I was able to confirm, but in the bottom it does say that I could, if I change my mind, I could go back and make any changes. I could just unchoose and then choose a new item. So I might read a little bit more and see if it's going to be my final choices, but so far I think I'm happy with what I selected. So guys, thank you for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, bye.